Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: spite, S-P-I-T-E, meaning to intentionally annoy, upset or hurt someone. Synonyms: cattiness, hatefulness, malevolence, meanness, nastiness, malice, spleen, viciousness, bother, venom, bug, irritate, exasperate, peeve, vex, grate, chafe. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: admiration, affection, like, approval, benevolence, love, forgiveness, goodwill, happiness, kindness, pleasure, regard, respect, sympathy. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: I think Akhil deliberately let the air out of your tire just for spite. Seminal, S-E-M-I-N-A-L, meaning strongly influencing later developments. Synonyms: influential, primary, significant, determinative, controlling, important, fundamental, crucial, original, critical, groundbreaking, formative, pioneering, creative. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: inessential, unsubstantial, irrelevant, unimportant, unoriginal, secondary, uncreative. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Arun played a seminal role in the formation of the association. Sanctimonious, S-A-N-C-T-I-M-O-N-I-O-U-S, meaning pretending to be very holy or pious. Synonyms: self-righteousness, hypocritical, deceiving, pious, insincere, smug, bigoted, false, self-satisfied, canting, unctuous, preachy. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: straightforward, artless, candid, forthright, open, honest, unsure, sincere, modest, meek, humble. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: you do not have to be so sanctimonious to prove that you are a devout. Cagey, C-A-G-E-Y, meaning not wanting to say plainly what you think or intend to do, or unwilling to give information. Synonyms: careful, guarded, alert, suspicious, uneasy, artful, waxy, scrupulous, subtle, beguiling, cunning, wily, dodgy, devious, cautious, reserved, secretive, shrewd, crafty, circumspect. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: reckless, careless, unbaxy, indiscreet, artless, guileless, ingenuous, innocent, undesigning, honest, knave. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: she was very cagey about what happened at the meeting. Another example can be given: Mohan was pretty cagey about his money. Doldrums, D-O-L-D-R-U-M-S, meaning sad and with no energy or enthusiasm, or unsuccessful or showing no activity or development. Synonyms: gloom, slump, stagnation, cold storage, suspension, dormancy, melancholy, moratorium. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: happiness, gladness, excitement, continuation, sympathy, liveliness, interest, glee. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Mr. Venkat has been in doldrums ever since he lost job. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.